Welcome to Max Plus. In this video, we'll explore the Adult Silicone Resuscitator Kit, commonly known as an AMBU bag. The silicone resuscitator is a manual ventilation device designed to deliver oxygen to patients during respiratory emergencies. Components. The complete kit includes an adult-sized silicone ventilation bag, a non-rebreathing valve, an oxygen reservoir, and a clear face mask for effective manual ventilation. How it works. When the bag is compressed, air or oxygen is pushed through the valve and delivered into the patient's lungs, helping maintain oxygenation. Key features. The silicone material makes the device durable, reusable, and autoclavable, ensuring safety and reliability in emergency situations. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe to Max Plus for more surgical instrument learning.